Hello friends. Hope you are looking for some tip that shall give you a great start for the day. Let me share my story with you. I am an IT professional working in the industry for more than 5 years. After a few years, I started feeling demotivated, exhausted and depressed. I was not able to complete my task within time and energy levels were low even after spending few hours in the office. So I reviewed my day and made few changes. I have been practicing these things for more than 2 years now. And you won't believe there is a dramatic change in my performance and energy levels. So let's start. Our forefathers had said, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So following that, there are 5 must things to start a refreshing day. First one, wake up before the sun rises. Before stepping out of the bed, take 3 long deep breaths which will fill you with positive energy. Quickly step out of the bed because if you stay long on the bed, you might probably go back to sleep. Splash cold water on your face for 5 to 6 times. This will freshen you up and will completely wake you up. Drink 1 liter of water. Even if not in a single gulp, you can take it in small gulps. This is known as Usha Pan. Usha Pan is a famous Ayurvedic practice of drinking water in the morning. Usha Pan is done in the Usha Kal, which is the time 45 minutes before the sunrise. Nowadays, very few people wake up before sunrise. You can do it at any time before 8 in the morning. A regular Usha Pan helps in keeping the body healthy. It brings glow on the face and gets rid of many diseases and disorders. Step out at a place with fresh air and perform Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar or sun salutation, if it is done at a fast pace, can be a good way to lose weight and is an excellent cardiovascular workout as well, stretching and toning the muscles in the entire body. But that's not all. This yoga sequence improves the circulation of blood throughout the body and helps in maintaining good health by ensuring a disease-free body. Daily practice of Surya Namaskar has numerous benefits to offer for the digestive, respiratory and circulatory system. Walk on green dewy grass for at least 15 minutes and inhale fresh air. Walking barefoot on grass early morning has a cooling effect on the body and helps in balancing the body temperature. Walking barefoot on grass also helps in improving the blood circulation. It is often said it improves eyesight, firstly because it is believed that looking at green soothes your eyes and the eye nerve system are connected to the rear part of the foot. It also helps in distressing. It workouts muscles and veins which rejuvenates and enhances the energy level of the body. It is also said to build up body's immunity system. Thank God for giving whatever you have. Set your sight for a while on something white, as it symbolizes divinity and serenity and will soothe and refresh your mind. Meditate for at least 5 minutes, leaving everything aside. Meditation lowers high blood pressure. It also lowers the levels of blood lactate, reducing anxiety attacks. It decreases any tension-related pain, such as tension headaches, ulcers, insomnia, muscle and joint problems. Listen to soothing music or chirping of birds or hymns. You can even chant Gayatri Mantra for 11 times, which helps in increasing your concentration. A small set of exercise will fill your body with energy for the whole day. Adding to few more refreshes to your day, few are water houseplants in the garden. Engage yourself in small gardening activities which will lighten up your mood. Make it a habit to wake up early consistently. I would like to share this creation by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Please go through this creation and try to inculcate in your daily life. I hope you all will like this. Thanks for watching it.